Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today I got the ZF S542, and I'm going to be showing you how to change your PTO gasket. Normally I would change these when I rebuilt the transmission and soak the case, but this is kind of a work truck, and I done went through and rebuilt this transmission. But I left the PTO covers because one, on the other side I don't use one, and this side's got the block off plate. But I got a new gasket in the kit, come with the rebuild kit and stuff, so we are going to be installing it. Now I had to lubricate these and go ahead and done loosen them, but make it easier on me holding the camera. And what you want to do is take these out. You can do this on or off the truck, so go ahead and take all 6 of your bolts out. Now that you got all your 6 bolts out, you should be able to apply on this and it'll come right off. Us did. As you can see, everything's nice and clean and now this is actually a wag that ain't spray foam, if you're thinking about that. That's crammed in the other PTO cover because I don't want no stink bugs getting inside this damn transmission, which they do get everywhere, so cover every hole you can up so they don't get inside of it and make a gooey mess. Which you shouldn't hurt it, they're organic, but still. Now, a gasket stayed on, yours might not be so lucky. It should be easy to clean up. Someone's been here before. You can see the scratches from the wheel. I prefer cleaning this up with maybe a plastic wheel or something to not damage these, or a Scotch-Brite and some starter fluid. I'm going to shove a rag in here just so no dirt and debris gets in there. Then I'm going to clean all this up, and then I clean this plate up too, and then I'll show you the install procedure. Okay, we got this all cleaned off. I went ahead and smeared a thin coat of white stuff, silicone. It's my favorite stuff to use. It's great stuff. You can glue windshields in with it, use it as bushings. It's got tons of uses besides silicone. It's awesome. If you ain't got this, they make a gasket maker. We can strip the gasket all together and use anaerobic. Now, I know people are going to say you don't need to use silicone with a gasket, but this has had a grinder to it, and I wasn't the one that did it, so I don't trust it, and if any uneven stuff, I don't want it to leak. So just take you a little bit of that. Don't take much to do it, and put your gasket on, line up all the holes real good, and then put your cover on and torque your bolts down. Now, before installing your bolts, clean them up pretty good and take you some blue Loctite and put on the threads. And that will help seal any leaks and keep them from loosening up. You want to torque these down pretty much to 28 foot-pounds, or in inch-pounds it's 328, I think, or 300 and some. This is an inch-pound thing. I just set it up to 250 and then went an extra over a little bit, and that should be good, especially with the silicone and the Loctite on it. So that's pretty much how you install your PTO cover gasket on a ZF S542 transmission. Same on 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive applications. So if you found this video helpful, drop me a like, leave me a comment in the comment section. I enjoy hearing from everyone, and show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I try to almost upload daily content. Almost. But I do try. So tune in and check back for new content. See you next time.